Fuck Tom Nook and fuck Timmy and Tommy too.
Oh my god. Is that the ringtone?